So how do we actually connect our Bluetooth speaker here, as you can see, to our PlayStation 5 without a cable? Well, if you're trying to connect it via Bluetooth directly to your PlayStation 5, it's not gonna work. But there is a cool workaround to be able to make sure that you can actually still do this. So what we need to do instead is that we're going to grab our remote here for our TV and then go into home here, as you can see. And now on the home settings, go into quick settings on your TV and click on all settings. Then scroll down and click on remotes and accessories and click on pair accessory. We're going to, instead of connecting it to our PlayStation 5, we're going to connect it to our TV, and I'm going to show you exactly why. So now what I'm going to do on the Bluetooth speaker here is to just click on the power button, click and hold until I will hear a sound from it, basically. So now it's in pairing mode perfectly. Then I'm just gonna click on OK here, and it's gonna now search for the Bluetooth speaker. So sometimes this takes a while, by the way, but sometimes it's very fast, like this time, which is awesome. So now I'm just gonna click on pair here, and now it's paired. So now what I need to do is to click on this button right here on my remote, go back into my PlayStation 5, and you will now hear the sound from the Bluetooth speaker instead, as you can see. So that is actually exactly how to connect your Bluetooth speaker here to your PlayStation 5 without a cable.